Hi, my name's Stephanie Rubletz. Welcome back to my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, I am on a one-year mission to completely redo my entire tired, stretched out wardrobe. And today we are doing a pattern review on a free pattern. Yoga pants are something that I absolutely live in. Yoga pants and tank tops, they are my uniform for mom life. And yes, that is probably why the cliche of the yoga mom exists. But you know what? You can keep your jokes about wearing activewear and doing nothing active because nobody's more active than the mom of a young child, okay? I'm up, I'm down, I'm rescuing toys from under the couch, I'm pushing swings, I'm on the jungle gym, I'm catching that thing that's being pushed off of the counter, I'm kissing boo-boos, I'm swooping her up to play games. I'm active, okay? I deserve to wear clothes that let me move. So the pattern we're going to be reviewing today is the peg leg pattern from Patterns for Pirates. I always want to say plenty of pirates. In fact, I've recorded myself saying plenty of pirates like 18 times, like it's some kind of dating agency for pirates. It's Patterns for Pirates. I have in fact reviewed one of their patterns before, the tulip tee. I will put that up here. It was a super fun pattern, super easy make. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Now, a few months ago, I downloaded the original peg leg pattern from Patterns for Pirates. I had to be a member of their Facebook group. I think their free patterns are gifts to their members of Facebook. So it's a great Facebook group to belong to. They have tons of great free patterns. So I encourage you, if you are on Facebook, to go and join. As I was preparing to do this episode though, I was looking for images online and I noticed that they had a new version of the pattern, which is the peg legs add-ons. It says add-ons, but it's basically a completely new pattern. It has a gusset, which I know all of my most comfortable yoga pants have gussets, so I was super into that. It has side pockets, it has waistband pockets, it has 2 different rise options and 2 different waistband options. I was all over that. The original peg leg pattern, I still super recommend it. It has 5 steps to making it, so if you've never made your own pants before, it's a great pattern to start with. Today I'm going to be reviewing the peg legs add-ons pattern. Now it did say that when I went in to put that into my cart, that I had to already have the original peg leg pattern. When you go through getting this pattern, you're still doing like a purchase process, like you're still adding it to your cart, going through checkout, all that kind of stuff, because that's their delivery process for getting you the PDF pattern. It's just that the cost is 0. So I would imagine that's how they keep track of if you've gotten the original peg leg pattern or not, because you had to have the original peg leg pattern in order to get this one for free. One thing that I found kind of interesting about this though, and I don't know if it's because it's an add-on pattern that they expect like the original directions to like help the second pattern directions. It's basically a new pair of pants. Like you wouldn't use any part of the original pattern with the add-ons pattern, because to put the side panels in with the pockets or the color blocking, you need a narrower leg pattern. So it was strange to me. I don't know if there was some reasoning with that, but the add-ons pattern does not tell you to hem your pants. Like that instruction is just gone. I don't know where it went. Or if, like I said, maybe because it's an add-on, maybe that's why they didn't put it in. But because the entire instruction takes you from the very beginning to right before you have to hem your pants, it seems strange to me that they wouldn't just put in there the step of hemming the pants. That was kind of weird. But I will say the instructions themselves, they're phenomenal. They're step-by-step pictures. Each piece of fabric is a different kind of fabric. It's got a different color or a different pattern, so you can very easily see where your fabric is coming together, whether it's wrong side or right side or what side of anything you're working. It just makes it really easy to see what they're doing. So if you are a new sewer, or if you've been sewing for a long time but you've not done a lot of pants, these are great patterns to go for. Not just because they're free, but because they're good quality patterns. So let's get to the fit. This time, it's summer, it's warm. I didn't do full yoga pants. I did the bike shorts version, and there are 4 different lengths that are marked on the pattern. So there's shorties, bike shorts, capris, and then full length yoga pants. Now, I wanted something in between the shorties and the bike shorts, and being that I'm somebody that usually has to add length to everything, especially in the legs, what I did was I just did the bicycle short pattern and I didn't add any extra length. And I found that it hit me just above the knee, exactly where I wanted, and it was great. As you can see, I did a feather stitch for my top stitching. The top stitching was optional, but I felt like it really needed to be done, and I really like this stitch for it. It kind of gives it almost a wetsuit look. The fit is fantastic. I really dig the low rise with the contour waistband just because of my shape. It really hugs me nicely. I'm not constantly having to pull them up, and I didn't have to put any additional elastic in the waistband. The pockets are exactly what I need. I did the side pockets only, and I skipped the waistband pocket. So I hope you'll go and check these guys out. They are, again, Patterns for Pirates. Find them on Facebook, join their group, because that's where you're going to find out about all of their new pattern releases and their free patterns. If you tried this pattern, I would love to hear how it went for you. You can comment below, tell me what options you picked. Did you pick low rise, high rise, straight waistband, contour waistband? Did you do all the pockets, none of the pockets, color blocking, not color blocking? There are so many options with this pattern. I am really curious to see what other people choose. And if you do make a pair, take a picture of it and tag me on Instagram. You can find my Instagram linked below, or you can use the hashtag sewingwithstephyyc. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that you found another great resource for free patterns, and I hope that you have fun making them. I am looking so forward to making a full-length pair of these, or like 8 for winter. That's all I have for you right now. Before you go, do all the things: like, share, subscribe, comment below, let me know if this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week.